Hello, World of Wonder and Logo TV. My name is Roy Haylock.
My drag name is Bianca Del Rio.
I'm currently 37 years old. I live in New York City. I was born and raised in New Orleans, Louisiana.
The best way to describe me is an insult comic, kind of like Don Rickles in a dress, only prettier.
My current occupation is a draper's assistant at a Broadway costume shop, which basically means I make clothes for Broadway, opera, theater, and ballet.
I have access to fabric, feathers, sequins, glue, everything all day long. That's basically how my wardrobe has become what it is.
So my illustrious drag career began when I was 20 years old in New Orleans. I was working on a theatrical production, which required them having a drag performer in the show.
GLA and
And the great thing about it was at 30, my life totally changed. Little thing called Hurricane Katrina, perhaps you heard about it, brought me here to New York City. Blew into this city. It's been amazing ever since.
Well, I work here in New York City and perform 5 nights a week.
Actually, the only hardships I've ever faced was razor burn, my wig not gluing, and not knowing words to a song. It happens.
Happy Mardi Gras!
Drag has become a huge part of my life beyond paying my bills, and we all know how much drag costs. But the great thing about it is that I find there's an audience and there's an outlet, and the outlet is amazing because you have this opportunity to express yourself even though you're standing there in a big old wig and 5 pounds of makeup.
It's not TV, I can hear you. Okay, so we have...
You get to really be who you are. You get to let all of it out and people are there. The world is ready to listen.
Marianne, do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Do you have a stylist? No. All right, so what we're gonna do...
People always tell me that I'm mean. I just call it brutally honest.
Honestly, what does it take to transform myself into my fabulous drag self? Where do I begin?
Let me break it down. Lots of lashes, lots of whiteout, as you see, lots of eyeshadow, lots of glue, tape, wigs, pins, accessories, jewelry, dresses, shoes, pantyhose.
Usually it's about an hour, but I've been known to get ready in 15 minutes, and I've been known to take 6 hours, kind of like a mortician. It just depends.
I think I should be RuPaul's next drag superstar because it's obvious I can't be Miss America.
I feel it's my duty to be on the show and show America that some drag queens have good wigs and good teeth. RuPaul ain't the only one.
In a nutshell, I'm a young boy who came from Louisiana who grew up to be a professional clown.
Am I competitive? Yes.
I'm a total bitch.
I am ready to be mean. Are you ready for me to be mean? I am.